the real issue for them is they can't buy flour. They can't buy atta. They haven't the means to, sustenance for their children, for themselves. So it is all linked to corruption, but for them, much more directly, it's the fact that they can't afford to even feed themselves.
मैं अभी उर्दू सीख रही हूँ, इसलिए अगर कोई लफ्ज़ या लहजे में गलती हो जाए तो मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए।
It's totally untrue and it's totally unfair. Imran's a very proud man and he would never accept 1 penny from my father, whether it be for his personal use or for his party or for any other use for that matter. He's a very, very proud man and I can honestly say he's never accepted even a penny since I got married to him.